Hello learners, welcome back to your Innovate Teaching Channel. Today we are exploring one of the most trending concepts in modern education. That is AI driven personalized learning for future teachers. This is a must known topic for all future teachers. So don't miss a single second please. Come on guys, let's explore. What is personalized learning? Personalized learning means customizing the learning experience for each student based on their speed, interests, strengths, and learning preferences. Personalized learning is instead of one size fits all, every student gets what they need when they need it. Example of personalized learning is one student learns faster with videos and the other student learns with practice sheets. Personalized learning adapts to both students. How AI brings personalization to life? AI tools can make the following things possible. AI tools can track how students perform. AI tool can suggest what topics they should revise. AI tool provides instant feedback to students and teachers. AI gives adaptive questions based on their student level. AI recommends resources like videos, quizzes, notes, etc. AI also helps teachers to understand students' learning patterns. Coming to the point guys, why B.Ed students must learn this? Understanding personalized learning will help you in the following ways. To make better lesson plans. To support slow as well as fast learners in a same classroom. To reduce classroom stress for the teachers mainly. To use technology effectively. Then, how teachers use AI tools? Through Google Classroom for personalized assignments, Khan Academy for adaptive practice, Canvas for personalized flashcards, MindMap AI tools for personalized study plans. These are the few benefits of AI-driven personalized learning. For teachers, this helps to save their time, to reduce their workload, to give actionable data, and to plan remedial teaching. For students, it helps to improve confidence, to build curiosity, to enhance their performance, and to make their learning stress-free. Also, it has few drawbacks. These are few challenges and ethical concerns. It's important to remember, friends. Data privacy must be protected. Tech access must be equal to all. Teachers must guide students, not depending solely on AI. This is my conclusion of this video. Personalized learning is shaping the future of education. If you want to be a modern, impactful teacher, start practicing this approach now. My suggestion is AI can't replace teachers. Yes, absolutely. Ever and forever, AI can't replace teachers because the teacher remains the heart of the classroom. Okay, learners, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. I'm signing off. Take care. Bye.
Click the bell icon to get latest notifications.
Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos and stay tuned to our Innovate Teaching channel.